Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage invoices with FreshBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the FreshBooks website. Log into your FreshBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Invoices tab in the main menu. Click on the Invoices tab to view your existing invoices. To create a new invoice, locate the New Invoice button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the New Invoice button to start the invoice creation process. Fill in the customer details by selecting an existing client or adding a new client. Enter the date of the invoice, which is typically set to today's date by default. Input the due date, which indicates when the payment is expected. Add line items to the invoice by including descriptions, amounts, and any applicable taxes. Make sure to review each line item for accuracy. If you want to include additional notes or terms, look for the Notes section at the bottom of the invoice. Enter any payment options available for the client, such as credit card or bank transfer. Preview the invoice by clicking on the Preview option to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied with the invoice, click on the Send button to deliver it to the client via email. You can customize the email template before sending if needed. Monitor the status of your sent invoices by returning to the Invoices tab. From here, you can see whether invoices are viewed, paid, or overdue. If a client has not paid yet, you can send payment reminders by selecting the invoice and clicking on Send Reminder. To record a payment when it arrives, open the corresponding. Fill in the payment details, including the amount received and the payment method. Once done, save the payment record to update the invoice status. Review your invoicing reports periodically by navigating to the Reports section. This will help you track income and payment trends over time. Experiment with the settings in FreshBooks to customize your invoicing process to better fit your needs. Take advantage of any integrations FreshBooks offers to enhance functionality. Regularly back up your data to ensure you have access to your invoices in case of technical issues. Follow these steps to efficiently manage your invoices using FreshBooks, streamlining your billing process and improving cash flow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.